Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling something that's probably frustrated all of us at some point. When your robot vacuum decided to go rogue, whether it's refusing to charge, sounding louder than a lawnmower, or just giving up mid-clean, don't panic yet. Toasting it out is not the answer. Trust me, fixing is way easier than you might think. With just a few simple steps, you can solve most issues yourself and save tons of money on repair. Stick around, by the end of this video, you will be ready to troubleshoot like a champ. Let's dive right in. Let's start with the most frustrating one, charging and startup problems. Let's be real, what good is a smart vacuum if it's always out of juice? Ever have that moment when you pop it in the dock and hours later the battery is still dead? Before you blame the battery, let's look into it step by step. First, check the charging contacts. See the little magnet on the vacuum and the dock. They are totally dust and hair magnet. Over time, gum builds up and basically act like a wall, blocking the power. Fixing is easy. Turn off the vacuum, unplug the dock, grab a dry cloth, and wipe these contacts clean on the bottom of the dock and the vacuum. Pop it back on the dock. Seriously, 80% of charging issues I've dealt with got fixed right there. If that doesn't work, check the charging dock itself. Is it plugging it tight? Does any light on the dock turn off? Try plugging your phone charger into the same outlet to make sure the socket is working. If dock's light is off, it might be faulty. But before you call the manufacturer, try unplugging it, wait 30 seconds, and plugging it right back in. Sometimes, simply reset, that's the trick. Check out this Omni S1 Pro I've got here. It's like the straight A student of the robot vacuum. First of all, the self-emptying base, it handles 60 days of dirt and dust without you lifting your finger. And the brush roll, super easy to drop off and clean. No more fighting with hair taglet that feel like they are wetted on. What impressed me the most is the eco-clean ozone technique. Effectively eliminated up to 99.99% of bacteria, providing superior infectant of result. And check out this water tank with the bubble tank, guys. The design is next level. It doesn't just spray the water randomly, oh no. First, it wipes off these tiny dense bubbles that help the cleaning solution dissolve completely. When it mops over this dirt or dried up soy saucing or rice grains, they soften out like magic. And one pass is all it takes to swipe them away. The craziest part? No socket for its effort. Those bubbles penetrated the ground fast but leave no water. I even use it on my living room leaf cardboard. No wiping, no strike, and I never have to get on my knees scrubbing like a maniac. For real, these two features together, it cleans thorough enough to make even the clean freaks happy. But lazy folks, me myself included, will love how little effort it takes. eufy X10 totally gets what we need. This one is a no-brainer, trust me. Oh, and for those asking, why will my vacuum start spinning? Besides being dead, the battery might be just loose. Pop it out, push it back in furling, or just trying to reset the vacuum. Sounds basic, but tons of people skip this, and it fixes more than the issue that you think. Now, let's cover these random stop working moments, like when it powered off while cleaning, loose suction, or won't turn on at all. Let's break it down. First, check the power source. For corded vacuum, inspect the entire power cord for cut-free or chew spot. Looking at you, pet owner. A damaged cord isn't just a hassle, it's a safety risk. Now replace it ASAP if you spot damage and the outlet with another device, like lamp. If the lamp doesn't turn on, the problem is the socket, not the vacuum. If your vacuum shuts off suddenly during use, it might be overheating. Most models have a safety feature that shuts them down. If the model gets too hot, just unplug it. Let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes and try it again. If it still won't start, maybe the thermal fuse might be blown and it's one time to call a pro instead of DIY, unless you're comfy with electrical work. Now we've dived deep into those super annoying charging and startup issues with robot vacuums. Thank you for staying with me till this stage, and I have a big bonus to share with y'all. Right now, if you pick up some of eufy's top models, our exclusive YouTube discount is way better than the regular deals. The S1 Pro, X10 Pro, and E28 25ths, each one saves you at least $100 more than the standard discount. The exact discount codes are in the video description and pinned comment. Just copy them and use them if you are happy with the huge perk we just dropped. There is more. Our troubleshooting journey isn't over yet. There are still tons of other common issues we need to tackle. Next episode, we'll keep fixing up the machines and maybe even chat about how to spend that saved cash on something more worthwhile. Catch you then!